I think the boat rock is really important. Of course, it's located here in southwest Atlanta. Atlanta's seen an increasing amount of urban growth, urban sprawl over the last few years, and we of course lost the back area of boat rock here in the last year. There's residential subdivisions all around that, and recently this 7.7 acre tract came up for sale, and it's loaded with boulders from corner to corner. There's cracks, there's slabs, there's all kind of really neat problems. The famous paint can boulder is there. The bouldering at boat rock is very unique. It's a very textured granite. Climbing here combines a lot of different techniques in that there's a lot of delicate balance type work. You still have to be powerful, you have to use tension, you have to grab these barrel shaped arêtes and things and pull down on them, and if you mess up, you know, you're catching knuckle here pretty easily. So it's a very delicate, very tough type of bouldering. So. About pissed. So oh man, boat rock at its finest. Got the crowd. Even if you're not a climber, this is a really great place, and if anything, we just need to save it from urban sprawl.